On a quiet morning in Hoshiarpur, a small city in India's Punjab state, local authorities stumbled upon a startling discovery: fragments of a Chinese-made PL-15 air-to-air missile scattered across a field. The debris, confirmed by Indian officials, marks the first documented use of this advanced weapon in combat, a grim milestone in the escalating conflict between nuclear-armed neighbors India and Pakistan. The find, reported on May 7, 2025, comes amid a fierce exchange of missile strikes and airstrikes, triggered by a deadly terrorist attack in Kashmir 2 weeks earlier. As tensions soar to their highest in decades, the presence of Chinese weaponry in the conflict raises urgent questions about the shifting balance of power in South Asia and Beijing's growing role in the region. Amid the chaos, the discovery of PL-15 debris in Hoshiarpur suggests Pakistan's Air Force deployed the Chinese missile against Indian targets, a development that underscores the conflict's technological escalation. The PL-15, developed by China's Aviation Industry Corporation, (AVIC), is a long-range air-to-air missile designed to engage high-value targets such as airborne early warning and control, AWACS, aircraft, tankers, and fighters at distances exceeding 124 miles. First tested in 2012 and reportedly entering service with China's People's Liberation Army Air Force, PLAF, in 2018, the missile boasts active radar guidance, a dual-pulse solid-fuel rocket motor, and speeds exceeding Mach 5. Its advanced navigation system, featuring active electronically scanned array (ESA) radar, allows it to track and engage targets with high precision, even in contested environments. The PL-15's domestic version is estimated to have a range of 124 to 186 miles, while the export model, known as PL-15E, used by Pakistan, has a reduced range of approximately 90 miles, according to posts on X analyzing the missile's capabilities. The missile is primarily deployed on Pakistan's JF-17 Thunder Block III fighter jets, a multi-role aircraft co-developed by Pakistan and China. Just days before the Hoshiarpur discovery, the Pakistan Air Force released footage showcasing JF-17s armed with PL-15 and PL-10 missiles, describing them as the PAF's potent punch. The PL-10, a short-range infrared-guided missile, complements the PL-15, providing close-in combat capabilities. The JF-17, equipped with an AESA radar and modern avionics, serves as a versatile platform for these weapons, enabling Pakistan to project air power across its borders. The rapid delivery of PL-15 missiles to Pakistan, reportedly sourced directly from the PLAAF rather than the export variant, highlights the depth of China's military support for its ally, especially as tensions with India intensified following the Pahalgam attack. The current crisis, however, introduces a new dimension with the PL-15's combat debut, signaling China's growing influence in the region's military dynamics. The Meteor, with its ramjet propulsion, is considered one of the most advanced air-to-air missiles globally, offering superior maneuverability and no escape zones compared to the PL-15. However, the PL-15's extended range provides Pakistani pilots the ability to engage Indian aircraft from safer distances, potentially offsetting the technological edge of India's more advanced platforms. Posts on X have speculated that the PL-15 could challenge India's Rafales, though such claims lack independent verification. For India and Pakistan, the conflict risks spiraling into a broader confrontation, with nuclear arsenals casting a long shadow. The PL-15, though a single weapon, embodies the intersection of technology, geopolitics, and rivalry driving this crisis. The path forward remains uncertain. Will India and Pakistan de-escalate, as global leaders urge, or will the PL-15's debut herald a new arms race in South Asia? China's role, as both supplier and potential beneficiary, complicates the equation. For now, the missile fragments in Hoshiarpur stand as a stark warning. In a region fraught with tension, advanced technology can both deter and provoke, with consequences that ripple far beyond the subcontinent.